guys, I'm your host Melvin. Welcome to Mind the Tech, and today I'm here with a lot of Android tricks to make your phone faster, improve your battery life, and mainly you can send the apps on your phone through WhatsApp. You heard me, I said WhatsApp. It's so simple, just don't skip the video, watch till the end. Do you feel your phone to be too laggy and takes too much time to load? Don't worry, I've got it covered. This trick is for you guys. Yeah, go to About Phone in your phone, tap on the build number 7 times to unlock the secret setting in your phone, which is Developer Options. Yeah, go into Developer Options, turn on these two options to make the GPU render it for you rather than the CPU. So after turning it on, you will feel your games run a lot smoother than it was before, and your UI looks so much silky. It will be so much smooth. Yeah, look at it. It's so smooth. But the only bummer here is it sucks battery. Hey, you got only one life. Live it. Second, this is the most common trick to make your phone feel a lot faster by reducing the animations. So go into Developer Options, get it all to 0.5x. That is window animation, transition animation, animated duration, and experience the speed. You can really see the speed going on over there, right? It's cool. So if you're that guy who wanted to be like lightning fast, then turn off all animations. Some may like it, but I don't do that. That's a personal preference. It's up to you. Touching my heart, I'll say I never use Google Assistant at all. Maybe sometimes I use, but most of the time I use it for showing off in front of my friends. But 90% of the time it is delivery. So 10 funny questions to Google Assistant is live on the channel. Go check it out. Just click on the eye icon and don't miss that. You'll regret in your life for not seeing that video. So for this situation of Google Assistant, so I found Screenshot Assistant the best alternate for that. You can trigger it the same way you trigger the Google Assistant. Just change the assistant preference and you're good to go. The only bummer here is it doesn't work on landscape mode. In that case, if you know how to double tap your phone to take a screenshot, that's not an issue. Do you want to know how? Just click on the eye icon, see that video and just come back. That's all. So next, this is a battery saving trick. We're just gonna turn off some options in our phone in order to improve battery life. First, turn on Wi-Fi automatically is that option. What it does is, whenever you got to a certain place where you have connected Wi-Fi in the past, it automatically turns on your Wi-Fi. So it means it is searching for places all the time. So battery eater, turn it off. Simple. So the next is nearby device scanning. So what it does is, as you see here, it will scan for nearby devices and lets you connect in a pop-up. That is, it will be searching for the devices all the time, which sucks a lot of battery. So turn it off. Have you ever felt this situation of someone coming suddenly and you might be texting your special person? The next thing what everybody does is press our home button. Okay, I understand that's the immediate remedy, but technically we are still online, and if you don't reply when you're online, you know the reaction, what will happen. If you don't want that to happen, head over to settings, apps, WhatsApp, mobile data, and turn off allow background data usage. Okay, if you want to thank me, use the comment box below the like button. You're welcome. Okay, so you saw the heading. So 5 plus 1. So I have a bonus extension. I have a bonus trick for you guys. Yeah, I said you can send your phone applications through WhatsApp. I didn't lie, it was true. It's not like Jibuba or something. You just need an app kit for it. What it does is it extracts the APK on your phone and just saves it so that you can send it on any social media platform or any messaging application. Go to the app, click Actions, extract, save. That's it. That's all. And now you can share it on any website. So hope you guys loved it. So subscribing to the channel will be awesome and so motivating to me. So please do it. So thanks guys for watching. Happy quarantine.